Hello, welcome to our channel. Here we have our Adeline to assist us, and we're going to do Merengue tutorial. Merengue is a popular social dance which is super fun, it's Latin, and it's very, very happy. So it's very simple, it's just step, 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 step. So let's try. We can step in place, step, 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 step. Good. So now because it's Latin, we need to move our hips. So the hips, we start and we step preferably on a bent leg. So we step on a bent leg and our heel is up. So step, then we change step. So our hip is constantly tilting. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can also travel. We can travel to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can travel to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We can also turn while stepping. So let's go with the right leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. And merengue is also danced together in a couple. So for example, if we were to take hands, we will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Adeline can turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try a little bit with the music so we feel how it goes together. Are you ready? Feel the music? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the left. And 1, 2. To the right. And turn. And let's take hands. 5, 6, 7, and. And I can turn. And thank you. Good job. Good job, Eric. Good job, Adeline. High five. So this is a merengue, and it's super fun, easy, and very easy for everyone to learn. We hope you enjoyed it. Repeat for more, watch more videos, learn to dance, and have fun. Thank you for joining us. Bye.